We're here today in an industrial warehouse district of Coconut Creek, and we've got a major bee infestation in one of these wooden reels. You can hear the hive is buzzing. So let's go ahead and get them buzzing even more. You hear that, people? Talking some major bees here. Very dangerous, possibly life-threatening situation. And they are a-buzzing. I'm going to step back and get a grand scope of the situation here before we tear into this wooden reel to extract the honeycomb. Okay, so we're back dealing with the beehive at the industrial park in Coconut Creek. As you can see, I've ripped apart this wooden reel. Own hands, fine. So what we're going to do now is give another spray into this well-established honeycomb that's probably been here for anywhere from, I don't know, I'd say 6 months to maybe a year, maybe longer. But let's go ahead and spray them down and remove what seems to me at this point to be about 30 to 40 pounds worth of honeycomb. So that's going to be it for today. I'm going to remove this honeycomb, get it bagged up, get it out of here, lay residual dust behind to take care of these very angry straggler bees, as you can see, buzzing about.